still scorching hot. It's extremely crunchy. Hi guys, welcome to Family Rovers. Today we are going to prepare a traditional Serbian cornbread with a little bit of a twist. So it's basically how my family prepared this cornbread for many years, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it. The first thing you need to do, you need to take your, let's say, pan. I have a glass pan right now. And you need to put oil inside it. So we need to oil the pan. Come a bit closer, Mom. So basically, you put an okay amount of oil. And we need to put this inside the oven and preheat the oven. It's really important to put the pan immediately after you set the oven on, so that it doesn't shatter basically, because it's of glass. So let's go, guys. So we set the temperature to around 220 degrees, both sides, to warm up and down. And we put inside the glass pan inside the oven. First step is done, guys. So let's now make our mixtures. For our mixture, we have really simple ingredients. So we have cornmeal, we have simple flour. Feta cheese is the twist I'm talking about, so basically we put a bit more. We have 3 eggs, baking powder, and then we have Serbian yogurt. This is not necessary. If you cannot find a Serbian yogurt, you can put any yogurt inside, or you can just use water. So I also have a bit of water here. Okay guys, so first of all, about the how much to use. So I usually do it with a spoon, with a big spoon. So I usually go around 12 big spoons of cornmeal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And as you see, it's about 12. My mom already measured it. So that's the amount, and we use the spoon because it's the easiest way to measure. You don't have to be extremely exact. And then we put around 6 spoons of normal flour. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's done with that. Next step is the eggs. I'm not a professional, so I cannot break them normally, but I can do like this, as everybody else. So 3 eggs inside. And the order of the ingredients is not really important, since we're going to mix everything up together anyway. So 3 eggs inside. Now, yogurt. The best way to put yogurt is, I don't know. You don't have to be exact in this way. I'll show you why. I forgot the baking powder, so I usually put the whole baking powder, a whole bag of 10 grams. So this is 10 grams. So we put the baking powder inside, and then a little bit of oil always helps. So, oil. And now, Mom, pan in. This is the mixture, guys. And now basically you take a fork and you go around trying to stir the mixture. So as you can see right now, the mixture is quite dry, so that's why I have the extra water. I'm gonna show you the consistency we need to have in order to get this one right. So we just pour in water and we continue mixing. It's still not quite good. Let me pour some more, and I think this will be pretty much, this will be pretty much the consistency we want. I'm gonna show you what kind of consistency we want, but we're quite close, guys. And you can wing it a bit. It's not really that important for it to be exactly right. The bread is still gonna, so in my case, this is okay, but for me, I like it just a bit more watery, because I want to get a puffy, let's say a puffy cornbread. So it's really soft and airy, and it's really great to eat. So let's see, guys. This is pretty much what we're looking for. So it slides down the fork. I mean, in my case, just a bit more water and I'm done. And I'm adding a bit more water because now I'm gonna also add feta cheese. So guys, just so you know, we usually like the cornbread with feta. That's the biggest twist. Serbian traditional cornbread is usually done without the white flours, without the eggs, without feta. So it's basically just cornmeal, water, and salt. Yeah, basically. Oh, now that I said salt, we kind of forgot salt, guys. Yeah, so you can salt it to your tasting. Usually it doesn't really matter if you don't put salt. We don't use too much salt in our family, but anyways, I put some salt. And last but not least, let's say the important ingredient is our feta. And instead of feta, you can use anything you want, as long as it's not gonna make the bread soggy. So for example, you don't put mushrooms inside, because mushrooms are gonna become watery and it's gonna be not good. But you can put, I don't know, you can put meat, you can put all kinds of stuff. You can experiment, or different types of cheeses. Even with cheddar or other types of cheese, I think it's gonna be quite nice. So I mean, I'm probably, let's see, how I do it. I just crumble the cheese. Panin, mom, come on, closer. Yeah. So I just crumble the cheese inside. And again, the amount of the cheese you want to put is up to your own taste. For me, this is, I would say, quite nice. We mix the cheese inside the mixture of the cornbread. And now we're ready, guys. So this is the mixture. We're gonna wait for the oven to get to temperature, and then I'm gonna show you how I pour it in. It's really important. My face, mom, my face. It's really important that the temperature is high and that the oil is really hot, because you don't want your cornbread to stick. If it sticks, it's not gonna be great. So we're gonna wait, and then we'll continue. Okay guys, so it's been around 10 minutes. Here we have our mixture. And now don't forget to take a towel, and it cannot be wet, otherwise you're gonna get burnt. And let's pull out the pan from the oven here. It's really, really hot, and that's exactly what we want, guys. It's really important. And if you're not sure if it's hot enough, come closer, mom. You just take a little bit of the mixture and you pour it inside, and you see it starts bubbling. This is saying to us that it's exactly as hot as we want. So guys, you just pull the whole mixture, you put the whole mixture inside. And you see how it's sizzling? That's exactly what we want, because we don't want any of it to stick around. I'll try to clean this as much as you can, but unfortunately some always stays back. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, take my spoon here and spread it around the pan. There we go. If you want, you can make a nice shape. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's put it in. So as we said, it's at 220 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much Fahrenheit, I'll put it in the video. And then it's gonna bake until golden brown. That can take, I don't know, half an hour for 45 minutes or so. So see you then, guys. Okay guys, so it's been around 20 minutes, so we're gonna do a checkup here, just to check what we have. Oh, so as you can see, it's already almost where we want it, so I think maybe just a couple more minutes, guys, and this is gonna be awesome. Okay guys, so it's been around 22 minutes or something, and our cornbread is ready, so I'm gonna pull it out of the oven. Again, the towel, and let's see, I need to be fast here. Whoa. So mom, can you show us? It's nice and golden brown, crispy outside. So now guys, I'm gonna use the towel, put it on top, show us, put it on top, and then we'll wait. You can wait around, I don't know, 10-15 minutes to cool down a bit, and then we'll pull it out. We will have a taste and see how it tastes. So guys, to be honest, it's only been around 5 minutes, but I'm really hungry, so we'll dive in. It's still a bit hot. If you can, you leave it a bit more, but I cannot, so let's go. Again, just watch yourself not to get burned, because right now it's really hot. You're not gonna be that hot when you're... And you can take just anything and pop it out. Ooh. There we go. That was not as easy as I imagined, but it's out on board. And here in my country, guys, they say you should never cut it with a knife. So you just take a piece and you break it, but I'm a sinner. I like to cut it with a knife. So, Mom, can you come closer so we film this? It's extremely crunchy. Oh, and it's just beautiful. So, let me cut. I usually cut the cubes. And yeah, you can see it's scorching hot still. My bad, but we usually are really hungry, and then we never have the patience to wait for it to get to cold a bit, get colder. There we go, and then we'll do one in the middle here. Oh, it's awesome. Let me show you a piece, guys. This is what we want. It's beautiful. So, let's taste. Here we go, guys. The tasting. It's still, if you can notice, it's still scorching hot, but I will take a bite. Hopefully I don't get burned. It's quite crispy outside, and it's really, really soft. So it's soft and spongy inside. And the taste, guys, for me it's perfect. So guys, I need to remind you, like the video, comment below, and please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.